Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare egg chili. So let's get started quickly. I have boiled around 6 eggs and peeled them. And the ingredients required are some onions cut lengthwise and some coriander finely chopped, some curry leaves which are dried. You can use the fresh ones also. Some chilies cut lengthwise and some capsicum which is also cut lengthwise, and I'll be using some spices, some cumin powder, some coriander powder, and some garam masala and pepper powder, some salt to taste, and some ginger garlic paste. All the measurements can vary as per your taste, but the precise measurements and for your reference it is mentioned in the description box below, so you can refer to that. So let's get started quickly with this recipe. Light the gas and use an open pan for this, like an open dish. So for the seasoning and for the mixing it's very convenient and easy. Once it gets hot, the vessel, then we are going to add some oil. I am using coconut oil, so I prefer using coconut oil in all my food. It's a better option compared to the vegetable oil, and even if you end up adding a little more quantity, it is not a bad option. So once the oil is heated up, we're going to add the curry leaves, and adding this will give an Indian touch to this egg chili recipe of ours. And add the onions. So all the measurements have been mentioned in the description box below, so you can refer to that. And also add the chilies along with this, so it won't hurt your tongue, the spice of the chili, but it will get sauteed well in this oil and give it a very different flavor. You will get the chili flavor, no doubt, in this recipe because it's the egg chili. So we have added a lot of chilies in this, but you will not it will not be too spicy because we are braising it in oil. So once the onions are slightly, you saute them, you add the ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix. So I'm going to saute them well, so this raw kind of aroma, the taste of it should go away. The ginger garlic paste, it should get mixed to a nice homogeneous mix with this onions, and that will add to the flavor. So I'm going to add the capsicum because I don't want the capsicum to be raw in this egg chili, but some of them like having it half cooked, like especially in some of them add it also in salad, it's raw. So it all depends on your taste. If you are not very comfortable having raw food, raw vegetables, then you can cook it thoroughly. So that's the reason I have added it with the onions, so it can get sauteed well, these onions, and also meanwhile this capsicum can cook well. So I'm going to add now some salt. So also while adding salt, this thing will get braised faster. All the water content will come out. It starts getting watery, and this entire thing will get cooked faster. I'm going to add the spices, that is the cumin powder, and you can vary these measurements as per your liking, as per your taste, but you can refer also to these measurements in the description box. I have added now the cumin powder and the coriander powder in this, and in most of my recipes you will observe that I add the clarified butter, the ghee, because it's very good for health. It's a dairy product, and also adding this fat to your food is definitely a good addition with the egg, which is having the protein, and it's a complete meal. So this, just give it a good mix. So I wanted this thing to braise well, but if you wanted to cook like thoroughly, you can add little bit of water and close it, simmer it for some time. So that I don't want, I just wanted to braise. So I've added the garam masala and the pepper powder and give it a good mix. So just add a very little quantity of mint powder, the crushed dried leaves, mint leaves. So I've added a little bit, and what is last you're supposed to add, which makes this gives that Chinese kind of taste, gives a tangy taste, is the soya sauce. So add the soya sauce. Don't add too much because it will ruin the taste. So just add little bit, and if you don't have this, then you can also add some vinegar in this. But soya sauce makes this a complete egg chili masala, and give this a good mix. And now we are supposed to add the eggs. So just depending on your taste, I think add little more soya sauce. So this is how got a very good color. Now I'm going to add the eggs and cut them like this lengthwise, and see that your eggs are cooked thoroughly, or else they won't it's very difficult to remove the shell of it. So you have to cook your eggs well and give this a good thorough mix. And before mixing, I'm going to garnish it with some coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, which I've cut it earlier. And I'm going to put the gas off and give this a good mix. And you can have taste of it and check whether you have to add some more spice into this, or little more pepper powder, whatever you want. But I think it's just perfect, and we'll now serve it. Depending on your taste, you can add required quantity of salt on top, or the pepper powder, but I think it's just fine. You can just have a taste and check and add the pepper powder required. So here is the egg chili, which is such a quick and an easy recipe, and also your kids will enjoy having this, because having plain eggs sometimes during a meal or even for breakfast is doesn't give sound interesting. But you can just add some pepper powder, some salt and some chili powder and eat the boiled eggs, because eggs make a wholesome meal, and it has a lot of nutrients. It's very good for breakfast and lunch, but giving it some seasoning and adding some flavor and some taste is very good option to have these eggs. So guys, here is the egg chili masala ready, and this is such a quick and a easy recipe of mine. So try out this recipe and let me know how did you like it. So this is, I think you all should try out this recipe of mine and let me know in the comment section below that how did you like it. I'm very sure you all will enjoy all my videos and all my recipes. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you'll find lot of interesting stuff coming up very often. I upload videos almost twice a week of food and lots of stuff. So subscribe to my channel for more updates. My videos are all shot in 4K. So if you have a 4K television, a screen, then you can enjoy watching my videos on a big screen with this 4K videos of mine. So hit the like button and share it with everyone, your friends and family, and let me know what video you want me to upload in future. So bye bye as of now. See you all in my next more upcoming videos.